the storm coming? Sure?
If it come, it come. If it don't come, it don't come.
Okay, so better prepare than not prepare. Yeah, cool. So you see? Look, I look when you hear them. Look at Antar hear them too. See? If you look like them for sure, you're not Jamaican. I want to tell you say,
The water.
and I said the hurricane take you with that.
When a hurricane comes.
So yes peeps, good morning, good evening from wherever you are. Yes, it's a man Holy Fire again. From Grand Cayman. Yes I did. Yeah, the lady next door to hopefully we just get water, man. Hopefully we just get water. Yeah. Hopefully we don't get the full storm. So my neighbor Fred, Jamaican. Definitely. So yes peeps. See, the place is very calm. See the breeze is barely blow, but the kind of stillness. No, I wasn't only hear about Ivan. In that Jamaica when Ivan. Yeah. Yeah.
They raise it. And the new stock, you know, and the things that they have been there before.
So yes peeps, we're just talking to my... Yeah. Okay. So yes peeps, as I say, the place is very calm. Just calm. As if we'll get storm. Well, them say the storm, Jamaica more likely to get it, so we'll get it. So this is what, today what? Today is Tuesday? I don't remember the days I week here. Today is Tuesday. Yes peeps, today is Tuesday, the 2nd of July. So taking up on the road, I'm going to see what I'll go on the road. So stick and stay, not go nowhere. So yes peeps, you can feel it. There is a sense of calmness in the air. And you know they always say, after a calm, there must be a storm. And after a storm, there's a calm also. But trust me, you can sense the calmness. So, yeah, you just have to pray. So pray. I don't know if you can pray to, pray to the Almighty. We are going to pray to the Almighty, no joking thing. You get me I say? Because from what I've seen so far, if this thing don't turn, we're in trouble. And trust me, we're in a position to take a storm. But the beach still full of people. Yo! Look like a ship because they are tourists. They want a boat out there, so I want a bus over the public beach. Look like all for tourists there. Yes peeps, trust me. There is just a calmness over the island. Yeah, so Yeah, I have a pray for Cayman and pray for Jamaica. And you said rain start fall at Jamaica already. Yeah, so as I say, today is Tuesday, July the 2nd. Yeah, and as you know, first from there, Mr. Rain fall from 1 whole month straight. When the 1st of June rain start fall. Police done this, so I tell me seatbelt tapes. I'm not tell the police that I have no seatbelt in here. Yes, people police done this, so I time reach them and put on the camera. Police done this today, so them there. Seeing the tapes. That's the Popo peeps. I know people speed along this roadway, so they normally do this. So anyway peeps, stick and stay, not going away. In the construction site, I'm gonna make sure you pull down if you pull down too. Whole heap of pulling down that. You know, the breeze coming, damage all of them there. Yeah, speeds. So the from West Bay Road. Yeah. So people butting up and preparing for the storm. Yeah. So as I say, by today is what? Early Thursday morning. So Wednesday night, we're gonna pass here. Yeah, so I lie. Ship there now, but 2 ship out there too, you know peeps. 2 ship out there. Can I believe that? 2 big cruise ship out there too. I can't believe cruise ship traveling at this time in the sea when tropical storm out there. I guess they might drive different directions, so it depends on where they're going. Yeah, well, for traffic up on the road too. The supermarket then still full up. This is the best business to have in Cayman, a supermarket. Even in this time. Even a time like this. Container upon container of food. Yeah. This is it people, this is Grand Cayman. Yep. So all for traffic people, cause people trying to get goods and stuff. Some people come out from early still, some people do for them out from yesterday, but you know, traffic, I don't know why so much traffic on the road. Some people turn back. I don't know why so much traffic on the road. I don't know why, but I guess it's just because of that people just, you know, shopping and going about trying to get stuff sorted out, preparing, cause you know, it ain't no joking peeps. It's not a joke. This is not a joke. So what is some of them strap up the wall with some blue plastic. I don't know why. By supermarket. The GoPro not really zoom still. There's some blue plastic over the supermarket. I don't know why. Them do that. I have no idea. Anyway peeps, stick and stay, I'm gonna away. This traffic look like never gonna end, so I gotta just say I find 2 shortcut on them. There's always another way out. And trust me, right now I don't believe in this traffic. So I just find another way. Go through here. Yeah. Go through the supermarket and go up on the waterfront. Yeah, supermarket full, see me like a weekend. People shopping. Crazy peeps. Trust me, best business we have right about now. Can't lose. Just continue to stack it out and stack it up. Yeah. Supermarket. Yeah. So let's go up on the waterfront and see what go on around there. Stick and stay. No go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. But traffic around at the man, but hope it's not so bad. Answer it. Hello? Yeah. Yes, yeah. No, I couldn't turn on the waterfront. I take it through. I take it through Rockwall because what traffic? Traffic all about peeps. Me say I take it short here, so but not much different here, so 2 vehicles got there and lick up or something. Go past the man now. If you don't say accident, then people might itch for go around the man. People stupid here, man. Man have an accident. Seriously? People are crazy. You know, pay attention on the road, you know. Man have an accident. You go around him because they might wait for the police. They might wait for the police. So it's Steve, I'm gonna take up all the boat them and thing. Yeah. Ship out there. Yeah. I didn't know, I think you wouldn't see no ship. But ship out the peeps. Ship out there, peeps. Yeah. Not one ship neither, but two cruise ship out there. 2 cruise ship peeps. With tourists this time. Anyway, stick and stay with more to the traffic here. So all the restaurants are packed up already. So peeps, look at the tree so I'm sure now I go on. Should I go? Community here. Yeah, can't take that traffic sitting there. Yes, peeps, so let's see if we cut out the traffic a bit. Remember short this way, I'm gonna drop out now. So let's see. But yeah. Back out, peeps. Peeps, see all the house over there, so they make sure I drop down them shutter. Which is in them shutter so early. Shutter that's something we can wait till when the winter come. Because them there's something they're hot. And look at house run also. Yeah, I see them now. Button up. Yeah. You don't see them a button up yet. Yes, babe, so I can take you back to Rockwall again. I also need somebody runner, so. Something about seatbelt uncomfortable night. Hold me down. Yes, people are button up, see me? Come on, people are button up. Some people button up them place, some people not button up yet. Yes, people, so this is Rockwall. This is Rockwall. So now if I button up. If I button up now, I'm going to run a store. Even a West Bay shop, maybe people do more buttoning up. 1 and 2 people do look sitting there, so not much. Yeah, right, like even the apartment, the other one, you see them plyboard there. But otherwise, not much, not only so. I'm gonna cut all board there. I guess probably just a start. Okay. People now back up now, so us just stay so. I just wait for if it come. Yeah. Peeps, so anyway, stick and stay. Yes, peeps, so look like the hurricane really come. So I pick up those few little more items. So we're at the supermarket again today. So the parking lot out is full up. Yeah, sunny sky look. Sky definitely look like we might get something. So let's see what we're gonna get in the supermarket. Mary stand up at the supermarket, them shelf empty. Let me see if they restock it. Yeah, we're near the airport. This is a supermarket right to the airport. So that's the reason why you're here in the plane. Yeah. So stick and stay, peep. Wrong now. Yeah, Anti out here. Say hi world.
Hi world.
Yeah, Anti have a good ear, so just put on her hat.
Yeah, can go in the supermarket with this?
What make?
No.
The world I see at your style. The world see at your style. Yeah. Hello. So yes, peeps, we are going to the supermarket again. Because Anti I go buy a supermarket. She go prepare more. You prepare more, Anti?
Storm.
For the storm. So you said the storm, you're preparing for the storm.
Yeah.
So do you
need
feel?
toilet paper.
You need toilet paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, because peeps, if you don't know in the comment section, please tell me what is it with people and toilet paper when natural disaster come. Wait. What is it with natural disaster and people with toilet paper? Because people tend to buy a lot of toilet paper. I don't know if they might plan to use the toilet a lot during the hurricane. But people must buy the toilet paper. I don't know why. I don't understand. So if you know, comment and tell me.
It's all about eat, sleep, and toilet.
Okay. So they buy enough food so they want enough toilet paper.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the people buy out the toilet paper. This is crazy. That's like when in a COVID. I see in a COVID, Mr. Toilet paper, I say like, whoa. So yes, babe, stick and stay. I'm not gonna wait. Remember, it's a man holding for your 777. Back at it. Like a crocodile. So we're not going to the wholesale part, we're into the supermarket part. Yeah. So let me see what we'll get. But Anti, I want sardine and they can't buy sardine, you know. Yeah. And it's take up like 3 sardines, you know. So but if you buy a pack of sardine, like 5, and they take up buy sardine.
You go there now or go up here to
I go to the first. Let's see. The stick and stay, peeps. So now I'll go on. So storm will come. Is the storm coming? Sure?
If it come, it come. If you don't come, it don't come.
Okay, so better prepare than not prepare. Yeah.
I'm not preparing. I'm just buying the normal food when we need to.
Okay.
I'm prepared for the storm.
Oh. It's not about preparing.
Once the passport safe.
It's the passport safe.
Once the passport safe, guys.
Yeah.
No good.
Okay.
I'm a flyer, I'm a truck star.
Okay, you have US visa in your passport now? Because they have a US visa in your passport, want to be safe.
I'm a flyer, I'm a truck star.
Okay. When you come out, when we're done buying. So I say you want, what you say you want? You say you want first.
Let's go snack.
Snack? Go start, yes. Start yes first. Because trust me, full up. Wow. seedless. Not find you one.
Chop off the
Banana, I'm trying to even look.
one.
Traffic blocking. Sorry, miss. Yeah, have insurance. Let's say I get for Fanta. Let's say I get.
No, I don't know how much you want.
No, not much I want. Much one. Okay. Snacks. How much am I coming here for again? Oh, me no know. Me no know. Antowel.
Oh.
Me need Antowel. What did I say? No shopping Hurricane neither.
Yeah.
The snacks here.
I know them.
Me not shopping Hurricane. I'm just buying regular stuff.
Right.
Yeah. If Hurricane really become it, I'll wash everything I may have.
Me nah shop for Hurricane because when Hurricane done,
Yeah.
everything in the supermarket are gonna be for free.
Alright.
First start go wash out. So guess what? When it wash out, I'll be outside waiting.
Alright. So you want no? Mom Papa sitting there. Doritos. I can snack on. So we know the snack. Doritos then? So that take up. What that reach over there so? No? So I don't want that one there.
I just have to wait until they got it.
Why you don't want that one?
You don't know that reach over there so what you say for there? Oh. Oh, well, I'm going to advertise Doritos, but I'm going to take up one. Spicy chili. Oh. Which one? Oh. Spicy chili. Yeah. If we can afford it. Right now. See people supermarket full. Look there. People them line up like the things are giveaway in here. Can believe that people?
Spend off their money, you know?
Yeah, we done their money. I'm gonna put the camera exactly on them, I can turn them back. Because some of them people will complain. As you all know, this is Cayman, not Jamaica. So as soon as I get somebody face night, there will be a problem. So, you know, show them the island. Yeah? Bleach? You want bleach? Bleach here? Yes, definitely have to have bleach. So when I buy bleach, I don't have to buy bleach. Because we are neighbors. What are them? Half? Oh, angle and rough. Well, people take up a lot of products too. We repack it. Our dog food and so them buy out all it. What else you want?
You just have to through the aisle.
Through the aisles. Oh, you don't want to know nothing to run us off.
You don't want tissue?
Oh yeah. Not tissue more. I don't tissue more. But I have tissue. I don't buy no tissue. I am not going to go to it. I am not going to go to the toilet during that time. I don't have time for that the hurricane.
You sure?
Yeah. So I only want one bunty. Yeah. You know much a bunty at Jamaica? You know much one bunty at Jamaica? In Tiago, about $1,000.
No, sir.
I tell you serious, look how much one bunty in Tiago supermarket at Jamaica. One single one of them here. In the comment section, look and tell me how much one bunty at Jamaica. See there? Bunty essential, $1.69. And which one this? Oh, this one is for $1.69. I guess the one in a green one is for $2.59. Yeah, but bunty there at Jamaica. And the 4 or 2? The 2. The 2 is the $4.79. Yeah. Yes, Pete. So this is Hurricane shopping. No, it's not Hurricane, but this is essential shopping.
Yeah.
But we're not buying all for nothing.
We don't do that.
No, we're not so full food. Make sure you say you have water and all that. water is more relevant to have. Since I showed you some more going to the supermarket peeps, have I juice on time? You want that? You want bread?
Yeah.
Smell bread? Oh yeah. Crackers? What you want? Where's some? It's cheap, so just pick up 1 and 2 items. Yeah. Smell the bread? Fresh bread, entire. Smell fresh bread. You smell it?
Mm-hmm. We don't want
smell good.
another island. Here, go on.
Yeah, I'm gonna repack the shelf empty. Whole heap of work. I'll repack the shelf again. So the shelf empty then repack it, and tomorrow I'm gonna repack it again. The stomach of entire flow.
Yeah.
You need some rum and time. I get rum. Sardine there, sir. Sardine there, sir. You want sardine? No sardine? Yeah man, sardine there. Instead of the one there. Oh, you don't want the one there?
So we see.
Then so repack here again. Oh, let's say over the other side I get it.
Yeah.
Now I get to fly drone.
When?
See, I don't like drone footage.
Oh.
They love it. That's one of them. Yes, see, so macaroni and cheese on time.
Me have one there about 3 years now.
That expiration date for a
Right, me
couple of
say.
times. Nicola say, entire people entire buy ramen. In the storm, you don't need ramen. What you need is flour and caramel. Yes, storm will blow you with that light. Yeah, the storm.
light?
Yeah, you have to get caramel and flour and dumpling and banana and yam. Dasheen. Them sitting there. Pastry. If they have something to put in me, take one.
What?
Put the bread pudding. No, potato pudding. No, potato pudding. Only bread. You got one? I take a bread pudding because I already have breadfruit. Breadfruit replace that. I have breadfruit plus me get one more breadfruit.
True, yeah.
So now go home go steam fish with breadfruit, roast bread, fried breadfruit I should say.
A fried breadfruit?
Yeah, because I have one breadfruit now over. I fried roast two breadfruit last night, so I have one left now over.
Get,
What?
dinner roll
Dinner roll? No, the dinner roll in here so you can see it. In here so take it.
No.
What is
I'm gonna see
what?
hot dog bread.
Hot dog bread. Hot dog bread. What is hot dog bread? Oh. That's none. True. No, you get it a captain for true. You probably get it a captain. You probably get it a captain.
You feel so will we get that?
Yeah. Then I get no but just do it without. You get a first airport West Bay.
What
What? This bagel, garlic bagel. Yeah, that tastes good. It smells good too. I like smell the garlic. You want egg too?
Me have egg in the fridge, but I don't want it because it did it all long.
Candy. Much is Jamaican dollars?
Spicy.
Jamaican dollars this. $5.69. Much that? About nearly $1,000. Nearly $1,000. Down. Yeah.
No, more than $1,000.
More than $1,000. Much one candy for Jamaica?
We don't know about $500.
No, sir. $500 can't buy candy. You want such as?
I don't know what we want.
You don't know what you want. But now coming up and shop here now.
I don't know what we want.
So Auntie, I got look milk. And doctor said she never drink milk.
Boy. I don't know what we want.
Meringue, yeah, if you drink meringue.
I don't want no jam meringue.
And celebrate it, no celebrate it a countryman. I have Charlie in here. You have Charlie in here, peeps, and the man I carry back a case of water on his shoulder. I know it's a countryman. Take him out of the country, can't take country all the time.
Hello, I can't fight him so run. Me know me a run left you.
Let's see milk, yeah.
Alright, see milk then. I'm going to drink the milk. Oh, my milk.
Yeah.
Milk. Can't go wrong with this, peeps.
Okay.
If storm come, how much choose you have milk in your house?
Okay, let's see milk. Okay, good for you. And bad for me.
Storm come, make you
Yeah,
stop making
milk is good for you and bad for me. Huh? Yeah.
Good.
Very good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You Filipino?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Filipino they always support me. Filipino, good people.
Same like in Jamaica. Are you Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I have a
Filipino.
lot of friends Jamaica.
A lot of friends Jamaicans? Okay.
I work mate.
Okay. Yeah, man, I have a lot of friends. Filipino.
Where in Jamaica?
St. Catherine.
Oh, St. Catherine.
Yeah. Filipino community. Yes, Filipino community, best people in Cayman
Yeah,
Islands.
yeah, yeah.
Very friendly, very manageable, very disciplined.
Yeah.
Respect you differently.
Hey,
Yeah, man, Filipino.
how's that?
Yeah, man. I'm tired.
Alright, friend.
Yeah, man. Anti is still looking, you know, anti look for people. So water there, whole water there, same way. Because as the counter them, as the shelf they empty, them restock.
I know one.
That's where anti I look for. If you're looking for anti, what you're looking for?
I don't want to buy, but I don't want, mentally I don't want to buy it because I have one tree in the fridge, but it did about 1 week now.
The egg?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it.
I'm not going to eat it good.
1 week did it?
About 2 weeks.
You can eat the same, man.
I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to eat it in my head. Mentally, I know. Yeah, mentally.
Mentally?
Yeah.
No man, you eat the egg same way. I let you spoil it, eat the same way. More protein. More protein for you.
Brain give me.
Yeah, so then. Them brother you pack a shelf of whole heap of work to do. So them pack you empty again. Yeah. And people, see people now buy soap. They not
Nobody
bed.
not to bed.
Okay.
Nobody not to bed.
Just food.
Yeah.
More food.
Bed I go.
So we be that go. No, I'm not crackers. Me have breadfruit. Breadfruit replace bread and crackers. Just so my breadfruit then for roast and put them. Then we can fry them after. So yes, peeps, when you have breadfruit, you don't need bread or biscuit. Breadfruit replace all of that. You can just roast it and eat it, or you can roast it and fry it. Anti like roast it and fry it. Anti I like it just roast like that. Let's say look.
Oh, go on.
You know the same snacks you want? Sorry, miss. No, like your son.
You have insurance, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Everything good for the carrier.
Alright, so. So Antai back the snack aisle again. She don't know what she want, peeps. What else you want, Antai?
I don't know.
You get milk, you get juice. That's all you're coming in for?
Yeah.
You're
really and
confused?
truly, yeah.
Antai confused, peeps. Antai is confused. Soda? Okay. Show you one. Ginger beer. Thing. Oh, the thing back there look different, so.
That may I
Shape
say,
different.
how it looks so. Look like the real so.
Mm-hmm.
Look there. That no look clean.
Are the ginger? So clear. So all of them stay. I don't want to stay, so.
No warranty then.
You don't want it?
Me mine.
We have juice already, you know, in any day like
Yeah.
that.
Give me half it.
So the peeps, you don't want it full. Yeah, line and long.
Just one island. I don't know if people have lot of time.
That's hard and tight.
Yeah, they not have a lot of time.
Okay, that's true. As long as cashier they move fast. Sorry. Yes. Yes, peeps, all the lines are very long. Even the lines then with little bit of people. With people that with little bit of items, like the express line. Look at the express line, I'm at the back of the line. This is just the express line. Because I have small amount of items, just like a bit. I join the express line, and the express line full up same here, peeps. And I will so on this so.
I don't know.
Anyway, peep, stick and stay. I'm going away. Look, peeps, I want to ask you a question. I think Antai are Filipino or Jamaican. Look at her. The Filipinos are very short, little people them. So then look a bit. Is a Filipino, that's a Filipino. And look, Antai, little bit of people there. What do you think? You think Antai is a Filipino? Tell me in the comment section. She can speak the language too.
Yeah.
You know it very fluently. What's the language Filipino speak?
Tagalog.
What?
Tagalog.
Tagalog? Ano Papagalo you want to
No,
say?
it's Tagalog.
Tagalog. Sir, you're Filipino? Okay. Okay, I was gonna ask. Yeah. So it's Tagalog. Okay. So,
Are you a Filipino?
Yeah.
Filipino? What language do you speak? Tagalog, right?
Tagalog. Man, cool. See? Look, I look when you hear them. Look when Antai hear them too. See? If you look like them for sure, you're not Jamaican. Yeah, she too. She too. They're Filipino too. He's a Filipino also. Yeah.
Going to Manila? You?
Yeah, he's a
I'm
Jamaican.
not a Filipino.
She's a Jamaican Filipino. She look like you, don't? She look like Filipino, don't? You see? So you say I'm adapt here and die.
Yeah.
You're going to be adapted into the Filipino community.
Yes.
So we have a Filipino, Jamaican Filipino. Yeah. You look like them. After about half an hour in the line, real close up now to the cashier. After about half an hour. Just look. Eh? You take up the water? Alright, me take your space then, no worries, sir. Yeah. There's peeps. Look on it in the supermarket. Full of people. When I say full, I mean full like sitting on the argueway. Trust me, camera in really showing like that. And thing because it is a place like this, I don't really want to show people face and stuff like that, but trust me, the camera in here really full up. Even the express line, you have to wait in here long. It's the Antai there till she get hungry. Our white squall start take her. Our white squall start take Antai. White squall take you? And I'll pull the milk back with peeps to drink milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, she pull it already.
Really, really hungry.
Yeah. So she had to pull the milk back up. Yes, peeps. So anyhow, stick and stay peeps. I'm gonna wait. So when I come back to the supermarket.
You never show them thousands of dollars we just spend.
How much $1,000 you spend?
99,000.
Yeah. That's a lot.
20. No, 20.
That's a lot.
21,000.
$21 everything comes
Yeah. For 22 something.
Oh. So these peeps, I go all the way down this and now. And look there. Peeps at night now. Look. Look at the parking lot. Just because that's down. Look there. Whoa. Look at that peeps. The parking lot.
Star is coming!
No stop. No use of the star now come.
Hello.
Yes peeps, so the parking lot, as I say, look on the parking lot, full up. It's like free things that give away out here. Trust me.
Tell me.
Yeah?
Why?
Oh, I'm sorry that's all. I'm sorry that's all.
Nobody something?
Yeah. Look again peeps, so then I want other part or so. Put up another one or so.
I don't want other one. Tell the people where we are now.
Oh, we know. No, I'm advertise to them. I'm not putting advertisements. So who know me there? Know me there. Yeah,
Oh.
see. Yeah.
So we have shop for Orange.
So, I shop very key.
When you shop for Orange,
Mm-hmm.
you have your hot. Tinadi.
Mm-hmm.
Tinadi.
I want to
In
say,
the water.
and I said the hurricane take you with that.
When hurricane time, you have your heart, secure your head.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, we catch up cold in our mall.
Okay.
Down?
Yeah. Let's get a thumbnail. You're gone global with that there.
Yeah. I want sardine.
It's a sardine. And no clothes on tie. Sardine, the runner so.
So me addicted to
And,
clothes.
yeah, addicted to clothes. So you see this is a bigger one. This is like a wholesale, like something like Mega Mart or Casco.
Casco, what is Casco again?
You don't go to America, you don't places like that?
No, I don't know America.
And I've been
Can
to
somebody please take me to America?
I've never been to America. And I know
want to
Walmart
go
and
to
all of
America.
that. And I know Walmart and I've never been to America.
Never been to Walmart before either.
What make?
I don't know because I don't have a visa.
And I be careful
No
what you say.
sardine.
Don't say no visa.
No sardine.
That side there? Let me see.
No sardine.
No, around the other side, man.
You sure?
Yeah, around the other side. On the ear, so.
Oh, guess what we never pick up?
What?
The what?
What? Oh,
Yeah.
God. Come here, so I pick up something else. I'm just remember what.
But we never see that. I'm not see conflict nor nothing like that.
Yeah, I'm not really big conflicts against it. Oh yeah, sardine, there's so many, yeah, so. Yeah. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay, we're not going away. What are we doing? We're heading home now. We're not up again. No, you have to try to get something on with bread. So one more stop, peeps, and then we'll go home. So I'm untie there. And we're there. Come from the supermarket, as I say, everybody shopping for the storm. Today is a Tuesday. And you know, they said the storm are coming Thursday? Thursday. So one more day.
Jamaica, Wednesday.
Yeah, so the storm will stop at Jamaica first. And then it stop by us. Okay, so yes, peeps. So
Hello, you say the people them buy out the whole of the pork.
yeah,
The whole of the pork then.
I'm gonna say
There's a pork storm.
yeah. Yes, peeps. I'm GoPro me I use for light, kinda bad. So I even carry park or carry park, look. Jeez. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Yeah, peeps. So yes, peeps, can feel the breeze a bit coming already. Yeah, people up on the road see me because all I say is Tuesday night. I know they say storm now come until Thursday. Yeah, if it's looking and see me I go through the red light, that is because I can actually make the left turn even though it's on red. Yeah. But if I was going straight and I supposed to stop. Yeah, but because I make a left turn, because none of us say I break a red light, I break a stop light. That's not the case. Yeah. So anyway, me dey on my way I go home. It's peeps in the night, yeah. So I'm done showing how I go on the West Bay. I'm going to West Bay now, in a Grand Cayman. Yeah, everybody are prepared for this storm, because it's no joke thing, peeps. This is no joke. The storm is very serious. And Cayman can hardly take a storm. So people can do them last shopping. And again, tomorrow is the last day still. Because everywhere gonna be, some place gonna be, most places gonna be closed off. See all the fast food giants them full up. Most places seems like a weekend because of the storm. People just buying up crazily. Yeah, because of the storm, peeps. But you know, that's part of life. Nature take its course. So peeps, stick and stay with me. Chat back to you when I reach home. So yes peeps, reach home now in the night. Left from morning, from no morning, from the day. And just reach home now. So, you know, and as you see, the place is like, from there the place is so still. Like something is about to happen, you know. But people, we just pray for Cayman. Just pray for Cayman. Keep Cayman and Jamaica in the prayers. I say, so when the storm come, I'm doing nothing, I get like a water and that's it. So, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Until next video, big up on yourself, peace, and stay safe. All people in the Caribbean, stay safe. Peace out.